Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free Maltese drop layer shoes in Hearttopia without hard diamonds. So right now Hearttopia has collaborations with Maltese, and in here you can get any special items. One of them is Maltese drop layer shoes, and you can get these shoes from the exchange store like this. Just tap on the club icon and then just tap on the wine chasing puppy light versions like this, and then just tap on exchange store and then just choose this multi-strap leather shoes. And to get these shoes or buy these shoes, you need a 30 thank you card. And if you don't know how to get this thank you card for free, you can just check the link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial. And after you have the thank you card, just buy it. Just simply tap on purchase like this, and just like that you will get these shoes. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.